posted a couple of memes yesterday though, and they didn't go crazy, so don't get banned.
Yeah, true. I got top bot soon, so.
Yeah. It's not bad. They could send it. It's probably the best like meme they've posted. But... 70k. Holy fuck! Wasn't it like 8k on the other one?
Busting out of my PEN and personally see them as a burden circus. I'm a pioneer and I see DJs round me with some DDJs. P saved USB, B2A is the Y in it. We make art if there ain't no clients here, then we'll show them why they must invest. Cause we all been trying years. I got fire peers like my eyes are lasers and fire appears when I raise my eyelids. You should stop, drop and roll cause fire appears when I lift the stylus and I'm stylish without and with a stylus like bunker on or I've been the virus, I'm viral. Look, if you got told don't meet your idols, I'm sorry to hear you got lied to, cause they told me keep on my grind. This writer's block I'm fighting. Need 1-2 jab hook with a right swing. Need that clean track cook with a right swing. If the flow boring then I write swing. You should know about me, I'm Siam Ming. And they love the way that I rhyme things and I stack like I got a migraine. And that's how I know I'm king. See the way that I put 2 hands on my crown. Mo Farah, wait, how can I pledge allegiance if overseas where I know that my fama? See, I can't start or stammer, cause I'm paving a way. I might be first to school, shabalala, but came with a team, Bafana Bafana. So, how you singing about save the king? Unless you mean peas, your boy and Ning. I meant to say we, your boy and us, and all that glitz ain't glamour. P54, the gold is stolen, diamonds jacked by the English manner. And why don't we have a house of lords? We're not one of those pricks, no jammer. Not really white, but I know a few stars making sounds for the streets like Santa. Live in a mic with a live in a night, like the moon brings light. Shimmer and shammer, melodic madness, lyrical talent, syllable sweet, come see us and jam. And how I know I'm king, cause I'm still reigning, pitter and pat. The first time I turned a cat's flat to a cannabis I got it for free still, some guy. Seasonal flames in this burning black. Gotta stop serving crack. 30 love and I'm serving back. Yo, me and mine calling me greatness. Ain't no chosen one in this matrix. No Liam Neeson when Flam got taken. My portfolio still in the station. Jason Bourne, but I'm at Damon. I still stay 50-50. I'm Kanan. No commit questions, you know that I'm not mine. But I could have still said no Ronald Reagan. Phil just ripped, ain't coming to a pit stop. BMF man counting ain't Rick Ross. Old block rest up, lats in his bliss top. Brothers in pain, but I'm frozen like Christoph. Olaf, showing up pics of Riola. 2-footed like name was Rabona. Melrose broken, RIP phone and felt him. Snuck in and match didn't phone her. Seasonal flames in this burning black. Gotta stop serving crack. 30 love and I'm serving back. Sav gotta serve repack. Oceans coming like Bernie Mac. Lost took a journey back. Lost took a journey back. Guys on the block with a dirty pack. Had the arm Jakes call me a suspect. Bus cases and upset. Still with a Spartacus like Augustus.
What we got on watch today?
Step with a doomsday thing like in
Bro, honestly, I'm say it, everything's ass today.
Yeah, no cap.
Like, none of this is 3 days straight of like 0 good setups. Might go crazy.
You can get sparked in the fence with a hook swing jab hook cast to your death. Tears drop after you rest. Seasonal flames in this burning black. Gotta stop serving
The only thing I could potentially have is Tesla, and that's it.
Yeah, that 310, 309 area.
Yeah, 310 is all I would be looking at. Like literally rechecked everything, and everything's booty.
There's a 30-minute trend on it, but it's not the best.
Come on,
It's kind of
Kevin.
like retouches.
What we do with those?
We break that shit.
What it do?
I guess I'll get that ready.
Tesla?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Could be a tight stop for me. 309 is a little bit less wicky, but I'll still try it here at 310, which I'll. Not sure we'll ignore things there.
Yeah, we'll see.
Frankie, you know what to do today, right?
Oh, bro, you came early to the mic just to say that?
Yeah.
What'd he say?
I'm not gonna repeat what he just said.
That was Kevin?
No, that was Maki.
What did he say?
I said, you know what to do today.
Oh, you know what to do today, man.
Maki ain't even opened the charts yet. That's all he said.
That's insane, bro. How do you wake up and that's the first thing you say? I don't
Even
get it.
Eddie's up. Fire alarms. I don't hear nothing. Daphne, this must be on your end.
Oh, huh? I don't think so. Mark is trying to recover here. We just made a move from 527 to what, 529 off the open.
Only thing I have for upside is Nvidia, but we're still like $1.50 away at 145.
Yeah. Wonder if Tesla's weak here. We'll see. Still the second candle. Damn, Tesla. You ain't getting the downside, huh? Y'all can hear me, George?
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, you're good. It's just I want to be patient here for a few minutes, see what things develop here, see what happens when we actually start pulling back in the market.
I was thinking about signaling that on Tesla, but I didn't get enough right there to do so.
People are saying BA is weak, but I mean, there's nothing on BA that I'd like to be trying out personally. You were talking about it was close to 195, maybe, but it's in the middle of nowhere. I don't know why I keep saying it's weak.
I'm looking at 320 calls, guys, on Tesla. Oh my god, it just ripped. Still thinking about it here. Oh man, right through it. That was a level that I actually had there. Let's see what happens. 317.94. That's what the market pulling back. And I'm gonna signal this. I'm in. That's a real level at 318. That's why. Remember, it's Friday. Everything's light size. Market's pulling back and Tesla's holding. So that's why I'm taking advantage here and see if I can get a squeeze up to 319. Still looking okay here. Let's see what happens. We need a hold above 318. Remember, light size. Market's pulling back hard. All right, I'm gonna hit my stop here in a second. I got my alert set at 316.30 as my stop. My target is above 319. 316.30 is my stop. So just be on your toes here. Market's pushing.
Rocco, personally, me, no. It's looking like a cash day for me as of now. So
Yeah, you don't like upside, right?
no, none of it.
Yeah, that's fair. All right, about to hit my stop here, guys. 3:16:30. It's my alert. Just letting you guys know. You don't need to ask me if I'm in. It's gonna be a quick stop if it hits my alert. I'll try it again if it comes back up. But in the meantime, I'm gonna hit my stop. Oh, that's a red to green. That's nice. The market is pushing. Market at high day, which is a little rough, but Tesla had a head start anyways, so I'm not really worried. There it goes. We're back at 318. We need to hold above 318, and then that'll be the breakout. This is a real level on Tesla. I'm not going to add to this position. What I have now is what I'm keeping. Just be on your toes, because if this rejects again, it probably will come down pretty fast. It's a nice consolidation on the chart, though. I'll tell you that much. Frankie, even though you're not playing it, you see what I'm playing here or no?
I personally don't know.
Okay. I'll talk about it after then. About to hit my stop. Again, drop. Look at this big candle in the market. You see this, Frankie? George, you looking at this?
I hit my stop there.
But look how crazy that red candle is on QQQ.
Well, you've played the exact same setup a couple of times this month.
Yeah, I really like it. Usually I don't play the same level over and over again, but it's the fact that it looks good. Still could hit my stop though. Fingers on the sell button just in case. Ready to let go of this. It needs to happen within the next like 2 minutes here, or I'm gonna just get out regardless. All right, personally, if this gets a power candle into 318, I'm going to add to this position because now I know that it's not moving with the market. I feel more comfortable. Oh, it's getting ready. Oh, there it goes. Wow. just tried.
It's still rejecting.
I think it's gonna break out crazy. Oh, there it goes. Wow. See this, George? Maki?
Yeah.
I need 50 cents though. I'm gonna sell half, most likely.
I have nothing above now.
Mm-hmm.
What's the last resistance? Oh,
If this
yesterday
rejects here,
closed.
guys, I'm out. I'm gonna hire my stop now. Hold on, I'm gonna drag my stop now.
I have 319.20.
I hired my stop to above 317 now, even though that's a tight stop. I'm just gonna do that because it's Friday here. Market's pulling back again, so we don't have the market in our favor. We just have Tesla's strength to work with. So I can't even use or have the market help us here. We're above 318 on the ask again. Market's still pulling back. What you think, Maki?
I just hate the fact that it keeps closing below.
You said what? I can't hear you. What'd you say?
How about now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I said I just hate how it's closing below that. You have the exact same level I do.
It's the fact, yeah. Look, market's pulling back. Just need this to hold here. I just need market to just chill for 3 seconds and see if I get a push immediately. Yo, look at QQQ.
If this turns green, that would be insane.
Yo, that would be nuts. If QQQ gets a green candle here, guys, might have a crazy trade.
That's
oh,
here.
shit. We need a green candle here on QQQ. I might end up holding till 320 if it holds up here. I was going to sell 319. All right, you got a green candle in the market. Watch closely. If Tesla can't get a nice little follow through here, I'm going to have to call it. Let me know if you see any red flags, Maki. You heard me?
Yep.
Guys, finger on the sell just in case you get a quick candle to the downside. I'm prepared for both ways of consolidation break. I'm sharing my screen so you guys can see. Oh, shit. There it goes. Oh, man. First target about to hit the 50 cent. If you feel it's Friday, if you feel comfortable, let it go here, then you can.
15 seconds left. It needs to close above 90 cents. Or at least stay there.
10 seconds. 4.
Beautiful.
1 second. It just tried. Market again pulling back. Damn, this is a long trade for a Friday morning, huh? All right. That's the first aggressive red to green on 318. Needs to close above though. Any red flags for you yet?
No, the market chilled out.
Is 320 realistic for you?
Definitely. 319.20 is the safe one.
Okay.
That's yesterday's close.
All right, so I'm gonna sell a quarter soon here, guys, just so I can protect some profits. Market's pulling back. There we go, Tesla. Come on. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Straight to 20.
Straight to 319.20. That's without the market. Market just had a big red candle, guys. So I just need the market to chill. Obviously, you can walk away wherever you want. I didn't sell. I gotta hire my stop again. I'm gonna hire my trailing stop to 317.85. I think that's fair, right?
Yeah.
Let me see if I have any trends. All right, new
But
high.
the market hasn't even moved.
I know, but I'm just worried we get a big. It's Friday, so anything's possible here.
QQQ is the one that's holding. Spry's the one that's dropping here.
Yeah, Maki, hold it down, bro.
Yo, Frankie.
Start shaking that shit. Oh my
Yo, they
god,
have
320! 320! 320! 320! Did it break?
Why
Fuck,
one
I didn't
cent?
even get to sell a piece yet. I'm still in with 400 contracts. I'm
I
gonna sell.
sold half there. Oh my
Oh,
god.
I sold the quarter? Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna sell another quarter here. Please, 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 please. Yes, sold another quarter. I only have 200 contracts left. Keep it coming. Yo, Frankie, shake that fucking ass, bro.
Yo, come on, bro.
Nah, I don't give a fuck, bro. Nah, he got to do it. Take one for the team right here, bro. Woo. Pull back. Frankie, what the fuck, bro?
Bro, you noticed the moment
I got
said
tired, bro.
Frankie?
The moment I said
Hey,
shake.
yo.
Yo, I got
Yo.
tired, bro. Maki.
All right, guys, I've
Back to,
already
bro.
guys, I've already sold a half above 320. Both of my sells were above 320. Market just had a crazy pullback. Maki, what you think here?
We're gonna sit sideways on the market.
Okay.
His news is in 8 minutes.
Damn, I should have sold all of it, huh? Still up about 30. I was up 35 at peak. You catch that, Zoe? Hmm?
The moment I said the word Frankie,
Was it
that
40?
shit went red
No,
to
it
green, bro.
40? You saw 4-0? It's not that. It was just the candle. I needed the candle to close above. Wait, what happened, Zoe? You didn't catch it? Oh.
overlock.
You catch that, Matt?
Yo, lock. Yo, for anyone listening, you're supposed to lock in and never unlock yourself. Okay?
That shit was aggressive though.
I ain't gonna lie, doors is getting locked at 9:30. Doors are locked at 9:30. There's no coming in.
All right, guys, I'm about to get ready to sell the rest here if we don't bounce. Excuse me.
Yeah, the door.
That was too clean.
It's retesting.
Yeah, this is where we're struggling to break out of. So as long as they can form a base here, this looks still good.
What,
Yeah.
Tesla?
I sent
Yeah, but 318 needs to hold.
Yo, market's pulling back hard. This is my actual level on Tesla. This is where we needed it to break out before, but the positive, which doesn't really matter if market keeps going down here, is market's at a point where Tesla was sitting at like 317, so we're higher. We got news that just happened or something, Maki?
No. There's news in 5 minutes.
I probably won't be in if this pulls any further though. I don't want to hold through that news.
Oh wait, there was news.
What was that?
Russian ministry urges Russian citizens to refrain from traveling to Iran. It's becoming a global thing.
Alright, well. Just get back. Profits. Still, it wicked above my level right there. Anything else happening that we're not paying attention to?
Nah, there's really nothing.
Yo, how long for news? 3, 4 minutes? Yeah. Yeah, that Tesla trade was like 40%, almost 50, guys. Got any downside plays set up? No.
I have some.
For QQQ? Spot?
Yeah. flow off top.
Yeah, that might
get
be.
all the way down there.
That would be nice. Catch some downside on that. All right, gotcha.
Yeah, if that happens, it might be bigger than the first one.
Am I what?
It might be a bigger trade than the first one.
Nah, yeah, that was the trade we're all waiting for, anyways. And I was gonna take it earlier if it did drop.
Jordy not. Yeah. My baby girl knows she's my baby girl. I still struggle with the text, I hate paper trails. The street's hot, I can't bear a screenshot. Trying to get a G locked. I was a young nigga scamming in my Reeboks. It was me, Rod and Khan, we were teamed up. Out in the fields like I'm Beanos. Back when bitches didn't
That
know
news?
about no
Yeah.
CMOS.
Oh shit,
The
the market
streets
just
staring at
ripped.
me like they're D-block.
Nah.
On my watch, I'll give a G-shock. All my raps had the youth club squeezed off. I was showing them the tech like I'm Steve Jobs. On a Cali ting, they always want another one. I ain't no street nigga, bro, I'm just a stubborn one. My papa didn't preach on the Madonna one. My name's Joseph, but I'm not like a wave, I needed to shave. I see you over there. You want this, you want this. You know what I like, how I like it, make it. She just want that love and that kind of make her heart addicted to this drive. Hop in and make it go. This ain't no interlude, I'm into you. Stop the interviews. I'm not out here fixing you. I'll take you with all the attitude. It's mad how the way things go. They leave you, then they come back to you. They test the waters, then they clock nobody out here matching you. Nobody do it like me, nobody do it like you. You can't even choose. It's a tie you can't cut loose. I'm on 2-4s like breaking news. Some call it drug abuse. For me, I'm just hitting an altitude. Feel better when I'm with you. I'm still
You got some volatility. Yo, Maki, you see this?
Yeah. I'm hoping it does that fast, because if it stays here for a while, it's gonna become a consolidation. Bro.
No. Shit.
What did Frankie play?
Nothing. He's cash, I think.
No, he played some.
No, I did take a trade just now.
What'd you
Just
take?
now.
I took Oracle from 205 to 206.
It was clean.
Damn, you didn't let nobody know, bruh.
Yeah, honestly, after yesterday, after how everyone reacted about Microsoft, I was like, I don't think today's the day they want to mess around with anything extra.
Well, what was the,
Microsoft.
how nice was that?
Whatever percent this is, I can do the math. Hold on.
80 cents. $1.50, $1.60 contracts.
223. That was 40%. It was around 50 to 60, but it didn't sell me at the top there. Yeah, Kunal looked really good, but when I heard it was news, based on that move, I decided just to get out. I was like, I'm not trying to mess with this.
Now Tesla's ahead again. I'm almost downside on Tesla, but I'm down to play this upside again. As of right now, if Tesla gets an aggressive candle down and this bear flag's here down at 315, I'll take that. Upside, I'm looking at 319. So we'll see which one comes first and how they get there.
Yo, yeah, the world's loudest recluse. I'm in the booth rapping to my Remy like Papoose. My road's full of yellow bricks like I'm Tiny Boost. I'm steady making big changes off of tiny moves. All my prayers are still aimed towards my family tree. With all affairs in order for when me and Karma meet. Early doors, the main goal was hit the Hall of Fame. I still write my verses when I
Guys,
do
I'm
it
looking
with
at.
shame.
Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead.
I was gonna say because Adnan brought up 695 on Meta. I was gonna bring it up if it got a lot closer, but I do like it there. Yesterday's high, and it's a little stronger than the market currently. If we do get up there, I would want it to be a lot further ahead. But
Guys, I'm looking to take a half position at 319 on Tesla and then another half at 320. Looking at the 320 calls again. Just aggressive ahead of the market. If you want one trade, then you can wait for 320.
That's what I'm doing.
I'm taking half at 319 and another half at 320. I have an alert set at 318.84. That's where I'll enter my half, and then my other half I'll enter at 319.74. I shared my chart so you can see my alerts. Downside, if we get an aggressive move down, I'm going to take 315.23. So I'll set that alert so you guys can see it on my screen as well. I don't know what the fuck those jingle bells were. Yes. Maryland. Kevin, you're personally waiting for 320, right?
Yeah. I'm still thinking about it right now though. Not 100% on it.
Still take off. My way down about things I ain't got. Still got bars you find in the shop. These man never heard them spit. I couldn't give no fuck. Split in my hand, 1,000 thoughts. First on the list. Get this. Yeah, chill the goons.
Maki, you getting ready for downside yet?
Not yet.
Just let me know when it gets to that point.
Pack that light, I keep it simple. Spin man twice on a different tempo. Lit that beef last week. Did it again, for example. That was deja vu. Make waves from my point of view. Never cut me slack, had to grind and build. So close that rut, now different bills. Professionally, man, I keep it tidy. Eventually, I'ma make that rowdy. Separately, I'm feeling more than healthy. When Nam's involved, it's serious matter. Ripstock cargo straight from pound. She on a joking, tell her don't bother. Sub her around, I'm a Keller Teta. Wavy techers, all young
QQQ's getting smoked. 528.80 to 528.
When I ride these currents, feel like I'm Tame Impala. Sentence, feet on the cusp, say me I step in Prada. If you look in the room and it's all black stars in the field like we play for Ghana. Now or never, more than ever, that swag, I'll do this harder. Larger, in order, you know I got my checks in proper. Personally, can't hack it, invested in me, big time I'm a startup. Now everywhere man go larger, in the beef K-cups like Hallen. Techers, step in my brand new balance, bars that I got stone cold from Iceland.
Fair enough, you're busy. Fair enough, you can't do today. You're not free. You're busy every day of your life, like you told
It's
me.
still early, but 315.23 is going to be the downside play.
But even Elon Musk could spend.
I left the chart on my screen so you guys can see it.
Really, I'm not touching BA.
Kevin, if Tesla holds up here, are you gonna take it earlier?
No, no early entries on this for me.
Downside is about $1.20 away, so we're still a distance away, but that is something that I'm going to signal if we get close.
Any hesitation at 314.65, I will be out, Nor. That's opening price for me. I mean, that's not opening price, but I don't want that to hold at all. It's just starting to look good though.
I think it's finally giving up. Getting ready, guys. I'm looking at 315 puts on Tesla.
Instagram isn't the only thing you've posted on. You tweeted. I
All right, market would aggressive move up here. Tried to right there. We'll see what happens to Tesla. My alert's 3:15:23. We're at 3:15:93. Three 15:23 is my alert. I'm looking at 3:15 puts on Tesla. I'm in. I'm in 3:15 puts for Tesla, guys. It's gonna be a tricky spot to break, but if we get through 3:15, I think we have a quick move down to 3:14, and then you can judge where you want to get rid of it. 3:15 on the dot here. I'm gonna send alert so I know it broke. It just broke. That's 10%, guys. Right off the bat, so nice little scalp. Yo, market just dropped too hard for my liking, so I don't know if I'm gonna hold this. What are you doing, George? You selling here?
I sold a quarter there. I'm selling another quarter below 314, and then I'm gonna judge here what happens. But I agree with you. I agree. So tight stop here for me personally. On the rest, I've only sold a quarter.
All right, cool. That was 15% for you guys.
315.50 at the moment is gonna be my stop. An aggressive push up there. It's a little tight though, so but I just don't want to fuck around with this shit. Got market bouncing now. A little bit, not much. Market's starting to drop a little first.
Opening price is like 314, right?
Yeah, on the dot.
Okay.
On the break of that, I plan to sell another quarter and be left with half.
All right, cool. You were able to catch that, Zoe, or no?
No, I know what we do.
Oh.
I'm just watching.
Maki, what you think here?
I got nothing. No levels. No setup.
Guys, like I said, it's Friday. Walk away when you need to. I'm still in. I was trying to get rid of it there, but didn't get to. Market with a big push here. Excuse me. Frankie, did you end up taking that or no?
I did not, no.
You're playing downside, but just not yet, right?
No, yeah, not yet. For me, it's realistically probably not till 310. We're pretty far. With the way the market's been the past 3 days, I'm just gonna play it as strict and as safe as possible.
Just give me a sec. Holy air, isn't that on trade like Nor? Oh, yeah. That's hilarious. Everything's just been quick scalps here. Like as far as like the setups, everything's just been worth a scalp. Market's now falling. Tesla's holding up. I think we do Q&A and we walk away for the day. We're only what, an hour in? Almost an hour in. Probably. Sure.
Yeah, that's it for me. I see y'all boys. Enjoy y'all's weekend. Been a great week so far, so it is what it is.
Take care, brother.
Peace, George. Have a good one.
Peace out, Jorge.
for the glamour and the fame. While I was taking notes just to manage the change. I'm the calm before the storm, they couldn't handle in the rain. I just thank the Lord I got an extra candle on my cake, ayy. Yo, I had my rest out in Rome, running up the stairs like Sylvester Stallone. I told them take their shaky energy home. More life, more nights, say they get me, but ain't getting me though. Yo, all my life I've been a dime in the dirt. Wavy from a baby's what they'll write on my hearse. The man are trying to put their hands in the works. They ain't fucking with my hustle, make them niggas wish they ran the alert. Word. Them niggas wish they ran the alert. Word. Make them niggas wish they ran the alert. Word.
Yo, they never had no shame, just lying. Singing like Simba. Gunners in tentries aren't just injuries, they wanna get back timber. 3D circle, smooth as cylinder. Snow brings so much heat in this winter. Simon wanna be MC, too many minter. The hero wins, the antagonist loses. Can't say these bad ones. In just Marco, WhatsApp, call me Android Galaxy A3 Samsung. TG Damson, don't be a say it's friendly, share me frightening. Hear that thunder sound, got no correlation to lightning. Prime got numbers back or throwing up zeros, divide us quickly. Melanin teenage boys with a broomstick.
Okay, with a wig.
0 to 60, reach that quickly, flee that conjury.
Maki, you see Tesla? You have nothing on QQQ?
I don't see. I can hear you, but I'm not on desk.
Oh, it markets at
happened?
low day 526.20.
Then my trade is getting closed then.
Yeah, and Tesla's like weak.
I'll be back in a sec. I'm just getting magnesium.
You need that right now? You trying to go to sleep?
Now I'm trying to calm down. The VIX is at 20, bro.
Let me go. I feel like my freedom's taken. But guys just wanna be Blanco. And girls just wanna be Tatum. He got line, but the scene was faded. No tape related. Caught on a Monday morning. He wanna trade and skip that Bayless. Let me go. I feel like my freedom's taken. But guys just wanna be Blanco. And girls just wanna be Tatum. He got line, but the scene was faded. No tape related. Caught on a Monday morning. He wanna trade and skip that Bayless. Yo, disorientated, should've just rested. Called your phone when I should've just texted. Not lockdown, should've just Tetris. Retail therapy, should've invested. Diamonds dance, they should've been tested. Follow his eyes, you can see the intention. Tension, the G-Tech slide with a Jensen. Gated chest with aluminum fencing. Nay just hopped it, Tay then hopped it. Let me tell you the day synopsis. Found me the meaning of life when he lost it. Scorpion kick on the day they crossed it. Doctor revealing myself, I'm boxed in. Venomous action, toxic. Batman step with the power cosmic. Strike that one, I'm cautious. Smile, don't cry, pour Henny inside. The snakes in the grass with Tidian lies. Fake friends were there, this really implies I lost it. Gained the Brazilian vibe, this cracky John a million slide. Takes the video live, she game with her eyes at Newton, Law that brain. You know you got brilliant mind.
Yo, you know that she's doing it right. The way she keep bring got a brilliant mind. KZ in a bando and he's serving like. And he got dark.
sides. I see that I'm on the come up and they want a piece of the motherfucking guy. I peeped that these bitches trifling and they wanna trick me with their fucking lies. You better stay to yourself and you never show them all your cards. Breaking down we like a sport, just putting the red in my eyes. Pushing this motherfucker forward, bitch, I'm in your hood. That kind with a motherfucking nine. Let me out the pictures, all you motherfucking want. I love it when they count me out. When they see me, I know that they shout. It's my time, niggas start to pout. Story time, children gather round. Once upon a
Any
time,
trade
I was
ideas?
on my
Yes.
grind, but a pretty bitch a nigga found. She fucked up
Slightly
his life,
longer
she
wait,
fucked up his
but
money, and she even fucked up his sound. He got into codeine and other things, that's the only shit that kept him
the
sound.
setup is
But he
close.
made it out, he not a clown. If my money right, then I can frown. Lately life been too good. I could be the man in two hoods. All them tribulations understood. This ain't Freemasons, ain't no hood zone, but I fuck with Mason understood. Yes, I'm underrated, understood. I've been on the pace of something good. Heard y'all fuck niggas have been in a drought, and I'm here to come in with the flood. If a fuck nigga start to run his mouth, we gon' see a whole lot of blood. If it get to it, then I'm wildin' out. We use guns, ain't no running ones. That's for fun, nigga. I ain't one to play with, I ain't one to get the starting song. Breaking down we like a sport, just putting the red in my eyes. Pushing this motherfucker forward, bitch, I'm in your hood. I came with a motherfucking nine. Let me out the pictures, all you motherfucking want. I love it when they count me out. When they see me, I know that they shout. It's my time, niggas start to pout. Story time.
Ready?
The setup is gonna be for calls. It'll be QQQ calls, but we needed to get slightly closer.
When I'm out of town, I be tripping, I be on one. Understand how most feel.
Okay, is the hardest. I swear to God.
Cowbell volume. Are you guys talking about my alarm? Levels on Oracle. Let's see. Nope. It broke. The algo only plotted 204. 204 is a key level. There's nothing else for me.
Okay, is this mic better? I kind of figured. This is the actual mic, but I've been using that stupid headset. Yeah. I know. I know, because it's an actual one. Alright, let's look at the QQQ setup. Share my screen here. Alright. So here's how it's going to play out. The ATR is 76 cents. So I have to have a 75-cent target, 76-cent target. The stop loss needs to be half of that distance. Okay, so this is how this setup is going to look. Now, you can see I'm projected to make about 40 bucks a contract. So the risk here is going to be half of that. So risk on this trade is $20 a contract. And the contracts are going to be next day's 528 calls if you want to play it safe. 529 calls if you want a little risky. I would say 528 calls make the most sense. Next day expiration, risk is 20 bucks a contract. I'm expected to make about 35 to 40 bucks a contract. Okay, once the trade is set up, you will see it plot levels here. You'll know exactly where the stop loss is. Not in yet, nope. It's close. We needed to pull back to the green line. the 20 EMA sits at right at 528, but the entry is not at the EMA. You have to let the algo plot. Just give it a second, you'll see. Need a little lower. There we go. All right, so once this candle closes, you're gonna see it's gonna plot the high of this candle as an entry. So watching 528, 30, 31 as the breakout entry level. Okay, you'll see it plot here and as soon as it closes. There it is. So that white line, that's the entry. The red line is going to be stop loss, the green line is going to be target. It'll be Monday expiration, yep. Alright, so I'm setting an alert at the white line. That's going to be my entry at 528, 31 cents. Risk is about 20 bucks a contract. Probably slightly less than that. But we just need to factor in theta and stuff. Okay, we're pushing higher. If it triggers the alert, that's the entry. The red line is the stop loss. Green line is the target. If target hits, we'll make 35 bucks a contract. So we're risking half of that. It's getting close. We're a couple cents away from entry here. I'm in. Took the entry. Stop loss is the red line. Target's the green line. Simple. setting an alert for the stop loss, setting an alert for the target. That's it. Bingo. Target hit. I'm out. Take it easy, folks. I'll see you guys on the Sunday lesson. Oh, I forgot to get W's in the chat. Let's get W's in the chat before we leave. On the chat, I want everybody in there. That's wraps. Enjoy your weekend, boys and girls.
a brain that lies. See that dizzy boy there in the corner? That's all the times that I stayed inside. To the right where my urges live, you'll see how I think about taking lives, bladed knives. All the nights that I spent chasing highs. Girls that a lady like, that's nice, but I can't lie, hoes are my favorite type. Let's take a trip down memory lane. You'll see the first time I broke her heart. First decline on my broken card. First rewind in a local dance. At pitch side begging my coach to start. Sat in my room like I gotta go hard. Driving my first car like I gotta go kart. First drink at the bar, I was having it large. Sat on my bed saying this is the last time I give a hole in my heart. Got a hole in my heart, but that's not the name of the game. It's the brain where I chose to start. How did the rose then grow so dark? How did my emotions hold me down? What was the blow that brought me in half? Hold on tight, guess I'ma show you now. Percocets and foots, 100 tequila shots. Decamp when it gets on tops. My body been hurting lots. Drink till the hurting stops. Next day I wanna turn to God. What you gonna do when the talking stops? Who you gonna call when it all goes wrong? Can't lie, that keys you's falling off. They never loved you anyway. Just call it a day and stop. Voice in my head, I can't turn it off. I keep having this urge like every night. Fantasize about end of my life, but will I ever know what heaven looks like? Will I ever know? I guess everyone dies. When I told you I loved you, it never felt right. Searching for something that's never in sight. This feels like me, myself, and I might trying to make sure they're leveling right. Welcome to a day in my mind. You'll see regret passing by, and a love still here, but it ain't in sight. Don't try looking for pain, it dies. Today I'll be your guide. More time I've been trying to persuade this guy. He's had me for days this time. It's pretty hard. I'm not pushing a girl like me.
Hey, Tio, this shit loud, shit loud, shit loud, shit loud.
Yeah. Just having fun with it. I'm the brother that raps. Smoke come to the flats. He's asking my boy if I'm still doing that. Take a look at the stats. Got fans for my back. My brothers made beats and they're making them stacks. When
So I had two fucking trades here. I literally had one at 320. It broke instantly. Didn't even have time to get in. And I had another one at 320 at that high we made over here. Didn't even have time to get in either. And we broke out the yeah. We literally just broke out, and I couldn't have time to get in. Look how much that fucking trade would have been, bro. I'm actually like, bro, what is going on? Now I have nothing else to this trade. Only upside I have is probably 325 or beyond. Downside on this trade, I'm probably looking at 320. I want to see what it does. But overall, so I took this trade. I took the, I'm not gonna lie, this guy Norris kind of pissing me off the way he trades. But so I had a couple trades today. I took like 3 trades, mostly Norris trades because this guy's an idiot. So I took one to the upside. It literally just consolidated here. The risk reward ratio did not make sense for me. He's held through the whole thing, but that was a 35%. Like, he was down 35% on the trade on my contracts, and the upside was 40%. It doesn't make sense. It was almost 1-to-1. It doesn't make sense. You risk $40 to make $50. Like, what the fuck? And I don't even know where he's gonna stop out. Like, what was the stop? Like, I know it was 30 cents. So the 30 cents level would have been like what, $60, $70 for me, which is retarded. I'm not doing that. So, yeah, I literally just took this blindly. And then I took another scalp. I think it was, I forgot what it was, honestly. Oh yeah, I took it up here. 319 break, scalped it quickly. It came down. I liked it at 316. I don't know why I didn't take it at 316. I just felt like Nor. I was looking at 316 the entire time, but Nor was looking at 1523, which is all the way down here. It was alright. It wasn't crazy. I mean, it was alright. Nothing crazy. Nor my entry would have been better, or even below it, like right at 80 cents. Was it 80 cents? Yeah, 80 cents would have been a better entry. Between 316 and 80 cents would have been such a good entry. But yeah, I took that. I made some money on it. It was alright. Nothing crazy. Made back like, I'm down like $3 today. I'm not down jack shit. I'm basically break even. But yeah, these were the trades. And then I hopped off my real account and I started paper trading because I don't like to trade with real money at these times. Well, honestly, it doesn't even matter. I need to start, but I want to build up my confidence. So I took a bounce play right here. I got in at 316. 316.20 above that candle. Yeah, 316.20. And well, you know, I played out really crazy. I sold early though. The reason why I sold early is because of giving red flags of a massive pullback. But yeah, and then next trade I had was this to the downside. You know, I had an upside trade and a downside trade. I took so many trades, I don't even know what I took, but they were all green. I took one to the downside at 318.80. Yeah, 318.80 to the downside, all the way sold peak right here. And then I had another upside trade, which is at 319. Took that, and then I had another upside play right here at 319. 320. Sorry, it was 320 quick scalp. And I had another upside trade right here. I took at 320 at the high that we made at 320.39. I took that and sold peak. Let's just say I sold peak on that, but I didn't have time to get in. But those are my trades I had, and right now I'm just waiting for another setup. I might take it on the real account. For another setup that I'm looking for, I mean, right now we're at new highs, so there's nothing for me to take here. So I'd probably just wait for something to the downside, which is gonna take a long ass time. But it's already 11:40, so I think we have time. So if anything comes to the downside, I'd probably look at 318.20 or 318, and then maybe for consolidation and then a pullback. That's what I would look for. That's 2 separate trades. And then for the upside again, I'll probably look at 319, 320, and the high that we made up here. But that's really all I have right now. I'm just ranting, nothing crazy. But yeah, there's nothing to the upside for me. It might even pull back. Don't know. Who cares? Maybe 322 could be a scalp. Just doing these quick scalps. Nothing to hold on these trades except for bounce plays. But yeah, that's all I have. Overall, the trades that I took today, honestly, I just need to take more of my trades because Nor's kind of, I don't know, bro. Like this Nor is just focused on like making them like the chat money, so like holding through trading, looking for bigger trades, and not scalps, because the chat is low-key retarded and they won't be able to buy into these quickly and sell quickly and hold emotions, all that shit. So the chat is really retarded. So I'm gonna start focusing on more of my trades. mix of his trades. I am doing that to be honest, focus on my trades, but mixing his, I'm gonna have to start mixing more mine, focus on more of my trades. Cause I'm not gonna lie, these trades I know it's taking like the past 3 days are just pissing me off. The one from yesterday, a shitty ass entry. The one from today, I don't even know why he took it at 23 cents. I get it why he took it at 23 cents, but honestly, 316 or 315, 18, 80 was way better. Was way better. Don't know why he took that. And the day before, I don't know what he took. I forgot. Today's Friday, so sadly it's fucking Friday now. We have to wait another 2 days and a half, 3 days, 2 days, 2 days. Yeah, for the fucking weekend. It's kind of annoying. So I'm trying to stay on till like 2 or 1 p.m. Trade all day. But that's all I have for today. That's all I have for today. I mean, yeah, that's really not. That's all I really need to work on. As I'm holding, I'm not holding, taking my own trades because I have, bro. When I start paper trading, I'm a whole different person, bro. Like I'm probably better than Nor. I start popping off like crazy because I know how things move. I'm just a better trader when I'm trading without emotions, which I'm trying to get used to. That's why I'm paper trading right now, and then I'm gonna try and do something. Cause what if I could just paper trade and then switch over to my real account and like trick my brain into thinking that this is a paper trading account, and my emotions don't get mixed into it. Cause I want to try and do that. But yeah, I don't know. That's really I need to fix on is my emotions. That's really all I have to become profitable is my emotions. My execution is my entry, the way I trade, my setups, the strategies, the way I look at the market, the way I read the market is perfect. It's good. I'm doing good on that. It's just the way I control myself when I'm gonna trade. That's what I need to work on. But yeah, I'm gonna stop recording. There's no point in recording right now. These setups are really far away. I'm probably gonna make some food. But yeah, peace.